Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to be talking about my skincare routine, which I do not have one at the moment. My skin is really bad. I think I've always thought it was oily, like my skin was oily, but now I'm thinking it's more like combination. And basically the problems I deal with my skin, my skin is acne prone, and I have a lot of acne, scarring. This is like probably one of the first videos I'm probably posting on my page without any makeup because like I have like a lot of acne scars, but like my acne has calmed down, but I still have a lot of acne scars. And then went on holiday, got a tan, not really, I got sunburnt, and like the sunburn is like fading, so like my skin is like two different colors, like this is where it's burnt and then this is where it's not. So basically, what else? And then I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth. So I finally decided to be serious about my skincare and try and get something to fix a lot of the problems. So I decided to try out The Ordinary, because like it's an affordable brand and they seem to be like no bullshit, this is what it is. And yeah, so I ordered stuff and it just came in. Wait, bring it up. It just came in. And yeah, I ordered 5 products from them, and I got a face wash from Neutrogena. I'll show that later. So yeah, this is basically like a little bit of an unboxing and just showing you guys what I got. So what I'm going to try and do is do a video at the end of every week to see if I'm seeing any actual changes from these products, and just hopefully something has to work. I've tried like leaving my skin and just like, oh, it would fix itself out, it will regulate, it will sort out, it's just the age, it's just whatever, but that doesn't seem to be working. So yeah, I got a couple of things, and yeah, okay. So what did I get? I got glycolic toner. Got glycolic toner 7%. I got alpha arbutin 2%. Not focusing. Focus. I got retinol 0.2%. I got the AHA 30%, BHA 2% peely solution. This is one that I saw on the internet, and like a lot of people had tried it out, and it's really good. Chemical exfoliant, so it's like a chemical facial mask thing. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And I got vitamin C 23% suspension, or whatever that is. So basically I read on the internet, and like I saw what like a bunch of other people recommended, and yeah, just decided to try a mix of products. So I'm trying to work out how often to use some. I know some of them are twice a week, and some of them are just going to be evening products, and then some would be a daily one. I think this is a daily toner, so that's for morning and evening. And then the face mask is supposed to be like max twice a week for 10 minutes. So I'm really excited to try these products and see if anything actually works to fix my skin. So this is like basically more or less a before video, just kind of seeing like everything. Like I have scars around like here. Yeah, just basically really ugly right now. So excited to take you guys on this journey with me. So I'm giving myself like 2 months more or less to see if these products work. That's about 8 weeks, and we're in the middle of September, so hopefully my birthday's coming up and my graduation's coming up, so I need to be looking, I mean, I'm still gonna have makeup on top, but like I need my skin to be looking good underneath the makeup. I find like I've just always just felt like, oh, I can just put makeup on or use a corrector or use foundation and fix my skin, so I don't really care. But like now I'm like, no, I don't wear makeup as often. I don't wear makeup, like maybe wear makeup once every 2 weeks at this point. So I need my skin to look better, and I'm tired of people asking me, oh my god, what happened? Like nothing, I'm just ugly. So yeah, excited to try out the products by The Ordinary. And yeah, like I said, I'd also be using a face wash from Neutrogena and a tea tree oil I got from somewhere else. So those are going to be my main things. I will put the link for these products I got in the description box. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to follow me on this skincare journey thing that we're on. So alright, bye.